everybody. Welcome back to the Jedi Training Academies. I'm Liam.
And Tobias.
And today I'm going to teach you guys how to block a baseball. Now, the standard blocking position for a catcher is you got your knees on the ground. Don't sit on your feet. You want to be up and elevated. You're going to place your bare hand right here in between the legs, and you're going to place your glove over that. You're going to lean forward slightly and look down, following the ball wherever it goes. That way, if the ball bounces off your chest, it can roll there, or in front of you, or it can catch into your glove if you're lucky. If you lean over, it has a better chance to drop in front of you, whereas if you lean back, it's going to roll right up, and it's going to go either ahead of you or behind you. And then that takes extra time for you to catch it, chase it down. Okay? So Tobias is already set up into his blocking position. Lean forward just a little bit more. Now watch when I throw the ball. As you see, he's looking at the ball. Then when I throw it, his head moves down more. Okay? Try again. Ready? Good. See how that stopped right in front of you? Okay, try it again. Lean forward just a little bit more. That was about to on me. Ready? Good. Lean forward more. You want to get nice and over the ball as much as you can without leaning too far. That's okay, good. Okay. Blocking. Sometimes you're going to have to slide back and forth to get the ball. Okay? So now, Tobias, I'm going to have you go over there and you're going to block to me. Block outside. Okay? So, just toss them right about here. Toss them right about here. Okay? Outside. Okay? You want to be able to slide to get them. Okay? It's a normal position. Outside. Cut. Okay? Nice and easy. Outside. Okay? Bounce it on the outside. Okay? Good. Okay, now go inside.
Oh.
You just hit the cameraman.
Cameraman down. Well, it's like blocking, but okay. And one more. Good, okay? So that's good blocking techniques. And then just try to watch the ball, try to track it from wherever it goes. That's going to help you make sure that you stay on it. That way, if it rolls off to the sides, then you can easily get up and catch it, throw if there's a runner on, or usually if there's no runners, you can take a little bit more time, but still try to give it a hustle. So that is how to block a baseball as a catcher. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. Click to subscribe here. Check out my other videos here. Make sure you like, and comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'll catch you guys in the next one.